equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the screen without causing any damage. Start by powering off your Asus Vivobook and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your device and ensure a clean environment for the new screen. Next, locate the screen connector. This is usually found near the hinges of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out. If you find it difficult, use the tweezers to assist you. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Now, it's time to remove the old screen. Look for the screws securing the screen to the frame. Remove these screws and gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Be careful, as the screen may still be connected by a few cables. Disconnect these cables just as you did with the main connector. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and connect the cables in the same manner as the old one. Ensure that the connections are secure to avoid any display issues later on. After connecting the cables, position the new screen into the frame and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Power on your laptop and check if the display is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, power it off again and proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently to snap it back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Finally, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. And there you have it. Your Asus Vivobook should now have a brand new screen, ready for use. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.